Hello, my name is Siena Fox. I am 26 years old. I live in a small apartment. My apartment is in the city. I like the city. It is busy and noisy, but I like the energy. I work from Monday to Friday. I work in an office. I use a computer. I answer emails and make phone calls. I talk to people at work. I make reports and take notes. I drink coffee every morning. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I usually have a sandwich. I go home at 5 p.m. During the week, I am very busy. I do not have much free time, but on weekends I can relax. I love weekends. On Saturday, I do not work. I can sleep more. I wake up at 8 o'clock. I don't use an alarm. I wake up naturally. The sun shines through my window. I stretch and sit up in bed. I feel calm and happy. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh and clean. I brush my teeth and comb my hair. Then I go to the kitchen. I turn on the kettle. I make breakfast. I like to eat toast with butter and jam. Sometimes I eat eggs with toast. I drink a cup of tea. After breakfast, I feel ready for the day. I put on my shoes and jacket. I take my phone and keys. I go outside for a walk. There is a park near my home. I walk for 30 minutes. I listen to music on my phone. The park is beautiful in the morning. It is peaceful and calm. There are many trees and flowers. I see people walking their dogs. Some people are running, others are walking slowly. I feel happy and relaxed during my walk. After my walk, I go to the supermarket. I need to buy food. I bring my shopping bag. I buy some apples, bananas, and oranges. I buy carrots, potatoes, and tomatoes. I buy bread, milk, and cheese. I also buy some chocolate. I love chocolate. I pay for my groceries and walk home. When I get home, I put the food away. I drink a glass of water. I feel good after my walk and shopping. Then I clean my apartment. I vacuum the floor. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I clean the bathroom. I dust the furniture. Cleaning takes about 1 hour. After cleaning, I take a short break. I sit on the sofa and read a book. I like reading stories. It is peaceful and relaxing. I listen to soft music while I read. At 2 p.m., I make lunch. I usually cook something simple. I make a salad with lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. I add olive oil and vinegar. It is healthy and fresh. I also eat a sandwich with cheese and ham. After lunch, I feel full and satisfied. I rest for a little while. Then I go for another walk. I like to walk in the park again. The weather is nice. I enjoy the sunshine. Later in the afternoon, I meet my friends. We go to a cafe. I like sitting outside and drinking coffee. We talk about our week. We laugh and have fun. I enjoy spending time with my friends. After the cafe, I go to the bookstore. I love reading books. I buy a new book to read in the evening. I also buy a magazine. I enjoy reading about fashion and travel. Then I go home. I sit on the sofa and read my new book. It is a mystery novel. I love reading before bed. At 7 p.m., I make dinner. I cook pasta with vegetables. I add cheese on top. It smells delicious. I eat slowly and enjoy my meal. After dinner, I watch a movie. I like romantic comedies. I laugh and enjoy the story. I make some popcorn. I drink more tea. At 10 p.m., I feel tired. I go to bed. I change into my pajamas. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I turn off the lights and get into bed. I think about my day. It was a nice day. I feel happy and thankful. Good night, Saturday. On Sunday, I wake up at 9 a.m. I sleep a little longer than on Saturdays. I feel rested and happy. I get out of bed slowly. I walk to the bathroom and wash my face. I brush my teeth and comb my hair. Then I go to the kitchen for breakfast. I make pancakes. I pour syrup on top. I drink a glass of orange juice with my pancakes. After breakfast, I call my parents. We talk about our weekend. I tell them about my walk in the park and my cafe visit. They ask me about my new book. I share the story with them. In the afternoon, I go to a museum. The museum is in the city center. It is quiet and interesting. I see paintings and sculptures. I like to learn about history and art. I spend 2 hours in the museum. After the museum, I go to the library. I borrow some books for the week. I like reading new books every week. At 3 p.m., I go home. I make lunch for myself. I cook a vegetable soup. It is warm and comforting. I sit at the table and eat slowly. After lunch, I rest for a bit. I read a little more of my new book. Later, I go for a walk again. I enjoy the fresh air. I walk for 30 minutes in the park. The park is not crowded. I see a few people walking their dogs. After my walk, I go home. I take a shower. I feel fresh and clean. In the evening, I cook dinner. I make soup and sandwiches. It is a simple meal but delicious. After dinner, I clean the dishes. I listen to music while I clean. I like relaxing music in the evening. At 8 p.m., I sit on the sofa. I watch a TV show. I enjoy watching TV before bed. At 10 p.m., I go to bed. I feel ready for the new week. I change into my pajamas. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I turn off the lights. I lie in bed and think about my weekend. It was a good weekend. I feel relaxed and happy. Good night, Sunday.